Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't made a video in like a bazillion years and I've crazy missed you. So I thought I'd do a quick one today to share something that I'm just like loving. Is it a life hack? Is it? Not really. It's a thing that you can do every single day. It's 12 things. I'm gonna get to it. I'm a little rusty with the YouTube. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's back up a little bit. A couple of months ago, I was chatting with a life coach and he was just giving me some free advice. He's not my life coach, just like somebody on the internet that was like cold calling me, and I was like, sure, I'll take your free advice. Probably not gonna hire you, but give me your best stuff. And he did, and it's awesome, and I'm gonna share his tip with you right now. He asked me if I had a daily dozen, and I know I've talked about this so many times in my podcast, but I haven't shared it with you guys. My daily dozen I've been doing this for a few months and it's really improved my life. Like, it's simple, tiny things that I do every day that make me feel better about myself. And they add up to like self-esteem, accomplishing things, just feeling like a better mom, a better human, and it's crazy easy. So basically what a daily dozen is 12 simple things that you do every day that you want to do, but they're not hard. It's like easy things. I have not made a YouTube video in a long time. Just bear with me. My daily dozen is really simple things like hug my kids. And I know maybe you guys hug your kids every day. It's probably something I should do, but I have a 13-year-old and an 11-year-old and I don't tuck them in anymore. And so sometimes I just don't think to just squeeze them, to hug them, to tell them I love them. I mean, I do sometimes, but I want to make sure I'm doing it every single day. Make my bed, eat fruit. I'm not really a fruit eater, so this was important. Drink water, walk the dog. This one I'm still struggling with, but I'm aspiring. This is an aspiring list. I do most of these things, but I don't always walk the dog. Stretch. Listen, man, I'm in my 40s. I got to be able to keep touching my toes and doing downward facing dog. Acknowledge one person. Every day, I just try to acknowledge somebody in some small way. Even if it's like, I see a cool ad on Facebook, I'll like comment, hey, this was like a really good ad, or you're doing a great job, or, just acknowledging someone. It's usually a stranger and just saying, good job, stranger. It's like filling someone else's bucket makes you feel better. I'm doing this for selfish reasons, but it really does make me feel so good calling somebody out on their awesomeness. Doing 20 crunches. I haven't been doing 20 crunches, but it's on my daily dozen. Listen, I'm a work in progress. Kiss Joe. Again, I know we've been together almost 20 years, and so sometimes I just don't think to make out with him every day. And is that TMI? But I just don't. I'm just like, I should kiss him, like a lingering kiss, like an I mean it kiss every day. So yeah, I put that on the list, which some of you may think is sad. I don't care. Make your own list. I put journal because my gratitude journal has totally changed my mindset. And I went from being kind of focusing on the negative a lot and what I didn't have and what I wish I had to appreciating what I did have. And so much more has come into my life. Just changing from that negative mindset to a positive. And I'm not woo-woo. I'm not like the universe is manifesting. But the universe is kind of manifesting. Or maybe it's my perception. But who cares? I'm happier and I feel like my life is improving in all aspects since I've been doing a daily gratitude journal. Get dressed. I struggle with this one too. Work from home means a lot of PJs, but when I do take time to get dressed and sometimes brush my hair, I feel instantly a little bit better about myself. And last but not least, call a friend or family member just to stay connected. I'm such an introvert and I let go of a lot of relationships because, is it selfishness? I don't know. I just don't think to reach out to people. And if I don't keep those relationships going and they don't keep the relationships going, then there's no more relationships. So it's as much my responsibility as it is theirs. And so every day I'm going to call a friend or family member, like old school, on a phone, my friends. I hate getting phone calls, but texts are just so not the same. And since I can't go out and see anybody, I'm going to make sure that I'm calling somebody. So this is my daily dozen. I also made a printable because, I love the printables. And it's a blank one that you guys can download and fill out your own. But if you don't have a printer, a scrap piece of paper. Write down 12 things that you could do every day, whether it's go for a walk, whether it's smile more. I don't know, check your email, delete some emails. There are things that you can do that are so small that are going to make you happier and have a tiny improvement in your life. I don't want you to put something huge like clean your house or something insane like that. Let's pick really attainable, tiny things that you can do every single day for your own peace of mind and happiness. And I would love to know in the comments below if you can put some ideas down to inspire us to come up with our own daily dozen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought I would give you a quick weight loss update because I know a lot of you have been asking. I haven't talked to you in so long. I miss you guys like crazy. So I thought I'd give you a weight loss update. At exactly 6 months after my surgery, I had my surgery on October 22nd, I weighed myself and I was 101 pounds lost. Just let that sink. 100 pounds lost in 6 months. It's crazy. What's crazy is that I never really saw myself as a morbidly obese person, even though the BMI said that I was. I just 100 pounds is like a lot. That's like my children. Like my 13-year-old's 100 pounds and I just lost her somehow. And so I was shocked. And the truth is, when I look in the mirror, I don't see it. I don't see it until I see an old picture of myself, or I mean, I'm trying on clothes and they're smaller, but I don't like 100 pounds, man. It's nuts, right? I feel healthier. I feel less tired. I don't have joint pain anymore. I had gout in my feet for the past 5 years, and every morning I woke up and stood up, I had like a stabbing pain in my toe. Gout. Like a 90-year-old man, like, I got the gout in my feet. I had gout. And I thought it was hereditary. And I had a lot of like little medical problems that I sort of was in denial that it was because of my weight. And I kept saying like, I'm healthy, but obviously, my weight was a contributing factor. Everything's a little bit easier. And the first time I crossed my legs, I cried. I couldn't cross my legs. I couldn't, like, you know where you sit in a chair and you cross your legs? My thighs were so big that I couldn't cross my legs. And I was just sitting beside Joe and I just naturally crossed my legs and it fit and my knees hooked together and it didn't hurt and it felt natural. And I sobbed over something so silly. I cried the first time I could get out of the shower and wrap a towel around myself, because I never could do that before. I couldn't wrap a towel and tuck it. We have very small bath towels. But it was always just, you know what I'm saying? Like, anyways, I went from 242 pounds to 141 pounds. I've actually gained a little bit back, but I was trying to gain some back. I'm at 148, 150 now, and I feel like that's a really good spot for me. I'm eating anything and everything that I want, trying to make healthier choices though. I feel really nauseous. I'm a sugaraholic. I love chocolate. And it makes me feel a little nauseous if I eat sugar. I still do a little bit, but it's greatly reduced because that's one of the side effects is you feel kind of like, ooh, so you naturally avoid that stuff. I have to get more protein to stop hair loss, so I'm eating a lot more protein. I'm really happy that I had the surgery, and I wanted to give you guys an update. It definitely isn't perfect. You don't walk out like, da, 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 some supermodel like it's a Play-Doh machine. You still got to do the hard work and exercise and tone. That's all the stuff I got to do pretty soon, because I'm like, I'm a little flabby. A lot of you guys have asked about loose skin. I don't really have that except on my face. I got a little turkey, like my face definitely is loose skin, but the rest of my body I haven't really, like, I know where you can stretch it out. You know, I've seen those I'm so blessed that I don't have that. Not that I'd wear a skimpy bathing suit anyways. I've had 3 children. I'm full of tiger stripes. I have so many stretch marks on my stomach from being enormously pregnant that I would never show my stomach anyways, but I don't have that gobs and gobs of loose skin. And so, yeah, thought I'd give you a update. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.